Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Nothing Ear stick with your Windows PC. So first of all, you have to open your case like that, then click and hold this button and wait until it starts blinking. There we go. And next, we have to just go to the Bluetooth settings. Open it right here. Click on the Bluetooth and devices, turn it on with the switcher, click to add device, select Bluetooth, and now just wait until they pops on the list. Click right here, select them, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.